Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would show you guys a little tour around my witchy room slash beauty room. It's kind of just like a mixture of everything. This is the room where I get ready and do all my witchy stuff, and it's kind of just like a personal relaxation room. So yeah, let's just get started. So you walk in and there will always be cats because that's just how it is. So walking in, it's like an average size room, kind of small, I guess. First, hello? First we have my closet, which is honestly such a mess. So yeah, we will not deal with that because that needs to be organized. And then the second thing we have is my makeup area. This is where I get ready. This is also the desk I use for lots of my classes. So yeah, just going, I have my glass of water because hydration station. Little whiteboard of all my stuff. This is my jewelry section. This is like the jewelry I use like daily and my important stuff. And then I have stuff I just bought. I have this weird thing where I have to leave them in their package because like until I use them for the first time. I don't know why, but that's how I am. All my special necklaces and stuff. It's honestly kind of a mess, even though I don't know. I always organize this, so I don't know why it's so messy, but it is. I have my Freyja statue that I got from 13 Moons. A little crystal, honey stick, and a fake rose because I am allergic to real ones. This is my mirror. This is an Impressions vanity mirror I got a long time ago, and I just bought these fake leaves from Amazon and I just put those up there. I also have them on my mirror back there. I just have things up here that make me happy, so I thought that was cute. That's just the guide to my mood ring. It just kind of tells me what the colors mean. Then I have this little quartz guy. This is really cute. I got this. It's like a Greek little vase. My boyfriend found that for me at like Goodwill or something. I got this in a TamedWile box. It's like an Egyptian perfume bottle. Tiger's eye, little roll-on perfume, more crystals, this candle with my little Dharma, good luck, some more essential oil stuff. This is something I got in, I think, a BoxyCharm, and it's just good for your hair and stuff, so I use it on my hair and my face sometimes. I have my rose quartz. This is an owl my brother gave me a long time ago, and it's been a good luck charm, so I've kept it. I have this candle. It's just a protection candle. I've gotten this from some witchy or hippie store. I'm not sure where, but you can find these. It's like a common thing. And then I have this Triple Moon Goddess incense holder, and this incense is by The Dipper. It's Enchanted Forest, so one of my top favorites. I have this for all my brushes and my mirrors back there. And then I have this Strong Female Lead. My best friend made that for me. I have pictures that my best friend also took. Mister, what you doing? Oh, Ro! Watch out for the candle flame, huh? Okay. I have a moon that I got in Cozumel. This is a little magical ball needlepoint that I bought from my friend Kayla, who is making super cool witchy needlepoint stuff. So I will put her information down below and go give her a little follow, a little checkout on Etsy. Mister, what we got here? What we got, mister? These are flowers that I'm just hanging because they were dying, so I thought I'd hang them. Oh, he crank. Oh, he cranky, huh? Mister, say hello. And Lulu. They in nap mode right now, huh? Okay, I got this chair. If you guys watched my older videos, you hear squeaky, squeaky chair. So I went out and bought a new one. I got this from Amazon for like $150 or something. It's not super expensive, but I just wanted to get nicer. It's like fabric and it still swivels, which I like because I have ADHD. So yeah, I have a random pencil. I have this Zodiac Blanket that you can see in my haul video if you watch my witchy haul. And you can see I got it from ladyscorpio.com. And then a blanket just because I get really cold. I keep all my school stuff under there just because I do my school stuff here and I don't really know where else to put it. Sadly, I got these curtains from Wish before I knew they do child labor, so that sucks, but they're very cute and I have them now, and it's a reminder to research places before you shop from them. Then I got this twine thing from World Market because I'm a witch, I need twine, you know what I mean? Gorgeous view of a bush and trees. I love it, it feels secluded. I got this is a sun catcher, chakras, and it just suction cups to your window. If you watch my Goddess Provisions video, that is where I got it from. I have this little, I have my little money cat, and then a bunch of different crystals that just hang out over here. This is my Alfie plant. He is an elephant plant? I don't know what they're called, but it's like an elephant plant. He's really chilling. He growing so much too. This one used to be up to here, and now he's all the way down there. This is my little bookshelf. I like to leave this space open because the cats like to sit in there. I have a little smoke cleansing stick with my little Buddha keychain that fell off, but I keep them around because I love them. And then this is a soapstone heart. They make these in Kenya. I got this at my fair trade store. And this is just a little bookshelf. Lou, 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 Lou. Lou, say hello. Hi. Oh, good, Lou. Okay, so this is my bookshelf. If you guys watched my witchy spiritual books video, you'll see it. Oh my god, my singing bowl. I totally forgot that I put that down there. I do like to keep him up here. So these are all my witchy books. I think I have a couple that are not necessarily witchy, but these are all of my witchy books that I'm not reading right now. I have this cute little box my mom got me for Christmas, my Rose of Jericho, who I need to bring him out. Rune reading, which I need to read. I think this is cedar, question mark, maybe. Little flask, just because I like how it looks. Some essential oils. Just fun little knickknacks. Have my spooky sign down there. And this is my mirror, you guys. How's it going? I got this mirror from Target. Yes, and then I just hung up these lights and put up more of the garland. This is a little wall hanging I also got from Goddess Provisions. These are my herbs that are dying, so I don't know what to do. This is my little witchy altar. It's kind of cluttered, and I think that's just okay, because that's just kind of how I am. So I just have all my stuff that I need here. I won't go too in depth, because that would be very long, but yeah. Over here I have this little like herb drawer that I kind of use for herbs and whatnot. Little broom, some more crystals, like desert rose? And I think this is a little amethyst. I found this tarot reading sign at Michael's online, so I picked that up. Have my little uke. This is a disaster, but this is like my jewelry section. Perfumes up here. I don't really know what to do with all this stuff, but I have it anyways. Another little mirror. What's up, guys? Filming equipment that I use for my normal YouTube videos. I bought this robe because it's absolutely elegant and extra. These are my clothing picks for October, and my shoes. So I like to just pick out clothes that feel like the vibe. For October seasons, I like to dress for, I don't know, just like matching the weather and the seasons, and these are my color schemes, so yep. And then I have trash, so yeah, that's basically the room. I'll get you guys the prettier view of it. So yeah, that's the room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was exciting. Oh, I kind of didn't even mention, I have this rug. I don't really remember where I got this. I got it a long time ago. And this floor pillow I kind of just made from a big pillow I had, and I wrapped a pillowcase on it. I just sit on it. It's just a big pillow. So, yep. So that's everything. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was exciting for you guys. Say final farewell to the kitty cats. Mister, they're gonna go watch another video, okay? Say love you. I can't even see him. He just ploof, huh? Oh, there's a tongue. Okay, love you, Stir. And Lucy. Say bye, Leo. Alright, bye everyone. See you guys next time.